In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an email into a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're trying to showcase an important email as part of your presentation or simply need to provide more context, inserting an email into your slides can be incredibly useful. So let's get started and make sure you have everything you need to seamlessly integrate emails into your PowerPoint presentations. First, before we dive into the specifics, make sure you have the PowerPoint presentation open where you'd like to add the email. Having your presentation ready will allow you to quickly access the slides and find the perfect spot to include your email content. Once you have your presentation open, let's navigate to the part of PowerPoint we'll be using for this task. You'll want to direct your attention to the top menu where you see various options like Home, Insert, Design, and more. For our purpose today, focus on the Insert tab. Clicking on this tab will open up a variety of features and tools used to insert different elements into your presentation. This is where magic happens when you want to add files and other objects. Now, within the options presented under the Insert tab, look for the Object option. It might be a little icon with a blue square and white circle, helping you spot it with ease. The object feature is what we use to insert a variety of embedded content, and it's perfect for our task of inserting an email. Next, once you click on Object, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you'll notice two tabs at the top, Create New and Create from File. For inserting an email, you'll want to use the Create from File option. This choice allows you to select a file on your computer to embed directly into your PowerPoint slide, making it a part of the presentation that you can easily interact with. After selecting the Create from File tab, the next step is to browse your computer for the email file you want to insert. Click on Browse and navigate through your files to find the specific email you previously saved. It could be an email from Outlook that you've saved as a .msg file, for example. Once you've located the email file, select it. With your email file selected, simply press OK. This will embed the file into your PowerPoint slide, and you'll now see it neatly placed within your presentation. You can adjust its position or resize it just like any other image or object on your slide to ensure it fits and looks perfect. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully inserted an email into your PowerPoint presentation, enhancing its depth and context. This can be a powerful way to ensure your audience has access to all necessary details in a professional and visually appealing manner. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!